So I want to demonstrate some issues I'm having with my Lattepanda Alpha. The setup here is I got a multimeter wired to one end to ground, and I have the other end to the 3.3 volt. I have a USB tester plugged in. This will show the 5 volts, and I got the power meter wired to the Lattepanda power supply, and yeah, so I'm going to plug in the power like that. Yeah, so now I got the red LED continuously, and I got the blue flash every maybe 5 seconds. The 5 volt is 5 volt, the 3.3 volt is 3.3, and I got 1 watt from the wall. Yeah, I'm going to try the 1.8 volt. There. 1.8 volt, 1.8 volt. And now I'm going to turn on the Lattepanda Alpha. Suddenly the 5 volt supply is gone. The 1.8 volt supply is gone. And the power drawn is now 4 watts from the wall. The 3.3 volt is only 2.7 volt. And the 5 volt is 0. Okay, so I'm going to try another power supply. So I got this battery bank, and this battery bank is able to supply up to 30 watts on the USB-C port, and I have it connected to the USB-C port. So let me connect this. Okay, so we got 5 volt on the USB tester. We got 3.3 volt on the 3.3 volt, and the 1.8 is now 1.8. So I'm going to turn on the and the LEDs are we have the power supply turned off, or battery bank. Yeah, I'm going to turn it on. And the 5 volt is now gone. The 1.8 volt is now gone. The 3.3 volt is now 2.7 volt. The LED is flashing, the blue LED is flashing every 5 seconds. 5 volt. Nothing. So I'm going to try this without I'm going to plug it out HDMI. Okay, so the HDMI is now unplugged. I'm going to unplug the battery bank and reconnect it. Five volt. 3.3 volt. 1.8 volt, and I turn it on. The 1.8 volt is now 0. The 3.3 volt is now 2.7. And the 5 volt is now 0.